video, I am going to do a fly stitch. The pattern is Live Each Season from Buttermilk Basin. The thread is a size 8 pearl cotton and the needle is a 24 chenille. I am going to do it down the side of the center panel of the pumpkin. So you start at the top, bring the needle up from the back, go over a little more than 1/4 of an inch straight across, and then come down at a 45-degree angle in between where the thread is coming out and where the needle is going in. Then you make sure that the thread is underneath the needle and you pull it through. You then go down about 1/4 of an inch, go back up to the left-hand side at about a 45-degree angle up towards the top and pull it through again. You're going to repeat what we did above, go straight across and come back down. Now when you come back down, it should be right in that hole where we left off from the bottom of the last stitch, making sure this thread is always underneath to give you that nice loop. You're going to go down, come back up at a 45 towards the top on the left-hand side. You're going to go straight across from where the thread is coming up and back into the bottom of the last fly stitch, making sure this thread is underneath the needle and pulling it through. Then when you're finished with the stitch, all you're going to do is just go to the back of your work right there to finish it off. And you can continue all the way down if you would like, which is what I'm going to do. Again, once you get to the end where you just have 1 or 2 stitches left, you're going to repeat that. You're going to repeat the stitch, bringing it up at a 45-degree angle, coming about straight across and going back in the bottom hole. And then to finish the stitch off, you're just going to go down and to the back. And that is a fly stitch.